Hey everyone, this is Yogesh. Welcome to my channel, Utilize Your Business. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about 15-day online business builder review that's run by legendary marketer, what it is, and for those people who are thinking of getting into online business, why you should take this review. Let's go. Welcome back. So in this video, like I said, I'm going to talk about 15-day online business builder, which is run by legendary marketer. What it is a course over the 15 days where you get a couple of assignments to be done, and you do get video every day, every day of day of the course. You get a video by David Sharp, and after 3 or 4 days, you do need to set up a call with your business advisor, and after the call he will ask you a couple of questions to make sure that you've done all of the assignment which is assigned to you, and after that he will unlock the next 3 or 4 business days, uh, 3 to 4 days, and you go on throughout the challenge to finish it in the 15 days. So between the challenge, you do get three calls with your business advisor, and during this call is where you'll find out if you want to go ahead and build a successful business course online. What do you need? What sort of tools you need, and how can legendary marketer help you out? So day one, there's a assignment, so you have to complete your digital marketing assessment quiz. If you click on that, it basically wants to know a little bit more about yourself, how much you know about the digital world out there, about the email marketing, online sales funnel. These are all the answers that I answered it. So like I said, I started on July 28th of this year. And then after that, in order for you to claim your free bonus and script and templates, you need to schedule a one-on-one call with your advisor, and all of that. And also, every thing they do a wake up legendary calls. Tune in Monday to Friday, where you can just go to their Facebook group, and once you click it, once you finish all that, just check the check mark and go to the next step. So basically, that's the format that every day follows it. Day two is pretty much the same. First, you get a video from David Sharp, and then they want to make sure that you did schedule. If not, they will keep popping it up for the schedule, and also and they already make sure that you also join in their Facebook group, so you can get the wake up legendary calls and follow it. So after 3 or 4 days, you do in order for you to unlock the next one, you do need to book an appointment with your advisor. So once you book an appointment, he basically asks you a couple of questions regarding how the challenge is going, wants to know a little bit more about yourself, gives you a little bit more insight to legendary marketing, what it is, and what you can guess out of this. So once the meeting is phone call is done, he will unlock you, and on top of that, he will also get you the script and the templates. And he might, when I did with my advisor, he was able to give me a couple of more audiobooks, and these audiobooks are mostly generally on the mindset, people getting into the online marketing or business and all that, and a little bit more about they talked about the high traffic, high ticket affiliate item, and that's what the legendary marketer is all about. So after you click on the day 4, they ask you to schedule the next one, and pretty much everything follows the same. This is the Rich Dad Poor Dad copy, and also talk about the clarity process questionnaire, which I did all of that, and you click on it. So you follow all of these steps to the next 15 days, and after 15 days, um, you have a choice to join the legendary market as an affiliate, and also it gives you a couple of their products. They make an offer for a couple of their products to see if which of these products will fit you, if you want to make a profitable business for the online, and what you need in it. So basically the tagline of their 15 days is, so for anyone who wants to start profitable online business but doesn't know where to begin. So that's their tagline. They'll basically, during this uh, challenge, they will basically discover, so you can discover how to start an online business, what sort of software you need. They'll tell you you need the sales funnel, you need the email software for the email marketing, you need the help with terms of the traffic, you need help with terms of how to make yourself a model, or in terms of doing a Facebook lives and all that you need for the challenge. And once you get all the challenge, at the end of the 15 days there'll be an offer made, or before that too. So either you can apply for their as an affiliate, so for affiliate for the high ticket item of legendary marketer, and also at the same time you can also get their business product. What it is so after 6 or 7 days, like I said, you will be they're having their business blue bundle product, which is an offer that they do present to help you to build your online business. And this one have pretty much everything you could think of to help you out for the product. Now, for the people who wants to get into the high ticket affiliate offers, my recommendation is Legendary Market. I've been involved with them since the end of July, so it's been about 3-4 months, and I do see there is amazing opportunity for somebody having these going through this challenge and promoting their legendary marketed products. So if anybody of you watching this video and wants to invest in it, there will be a link below this. This is my affiliate link to first sign up for their 15 days business builder challenge, and it is only a minimal investment of $7. And after that, there'll be an offer presented to you during the challenge. And if you do go ahead and get that offer, reach out to me. There's a link, there's an email below where you email me and tell me about that you've joined the challenge. And also, and if you go ahead and I bought this business blueprint, I have some cool bonuses to give it out to you. Let me just share you some of the bonuses that you'll get it. The first one is the T5 Mega Software Bundle. This is where you get the software. You get 5 different software, and that will help you out to first versus the link software, where you can see where your links are coming from. Social proof software. There's also talking about once on the website you have at the bottom of there where you have social proof of people buying it. So those are the 5 products there. I'll give it out to you. And if you are running a Facebook group, I'll give out to you a Chrome extension, Group Convert, at no cost to you. We'll help you out to build an email list on autopilot once you're running the Facebook group. And in the legendary marketer, they do recommend Clickfunnels as to build the sales pages. So sorry guys. Right, so the sales project. So I do give out the 3 courses that will help you to know everything about Clickfunnels inside out, and how to get these Clickfunnels up and running, so you're not pulling your hair out trying to figure out what the Clickfunnels is all about. And then if you those people who wants to be an affiliate, there are a lot of other affiliate programs out there which are recurring, monthly programs. So there's a list of that, and also the ad swipe copy. There's a list of that too. And on top of that, if you join the ClickFunnels, there is a template that will be automatically uh, given to you, and it'll be in your account. All you gotta do is click the link below, get the affiliate link for join the 15 days online builder challenge by the legendary marketer for only $7, and during the challenge, do join in the business blueprint bundle. You'll get on top of what you get from legendary marketer, you get all of this from me, so as a bonus. On top of that, you can always reach out to me. There's a link below from the Facebook or through YouTube, or put a comment in below. So this is it, guys. And my recommendation is go ahead and get the online challenge for $7 and see what it is. And if it resonates to what you want to do on online and make a profitable business, this is the easiest, and the investment is not that much for you to go ahead and do it. Thank you for watching it, and make sure that you subscribe, like my channel, like my video, and if you haven't put a notification button, just put the notification. I do come out with videos every week, and we'll see you for the new video. Bye.